Hi everyone, it's Kino here. This is Everyday Strength, where we're going to build really progressively on the key foundational elements of strength, focusing in just a little bit so you can really get this in every day. This class we're going to focus on something I'm sure is your favorite. It's the L-sit. No, keep watching, keep practicing. All right, let's get started. Close your eyes, hands in prayer. As you exhale, just rest your hands down. And for today's practice, let's make a commitment to meet challenge with an attitude of amusement and playfulness. Don't take it too seriously. A long, deep breath in. And as you exhale, let's open the eyes. Good job. Okay, since we're working on L-sit, we're going to start off with forward bend. All right, so let's come over onto our hands and knees and just kind of roll your hips a little from side to side. All right, now you're going to curl the toes under. Let's say hello to downward dog. We release the neck and get into the body a little bit. And then inhale, let's bring those hips back and up for our friend, the downward dog. Nice. One, deep breath in, deep breath out. Two, nice, good work. Three, easy does it. Four, almost there. Five, we're gonna walk half the distance in. We're gonna just release that forward fold. I want you to slowly sway the hips for a little bit. Then give me a soft bend in the knees, and you're gonna relax your back muscles over the knees. Drape your arms over each other, and then inhale, hips go back and up. So the forward bend is really the key to the L-sit, all right? So let's just kind of swing the first one from side to side. Good, we'll do like 3 more times. Swing it out. Good job, 2 more times. 1 more time. Good, back to the center, bend the knees, release your hands. Nice. Interlace the fingers behind the back, and then lift the hips back and just release the shoulders. Good. Hold for 5. 1. If you cannot comfortably interlace the fingers, then try holding onto a towel. That can also help the shoulders find a little bit more space. 3, try to draw the abdomen in. 4, just don't push it out, all right? 5, bend the knees. This time when you come down, drape your hands, relax the neck, wrap your fingers around your big toes. Inhale, straighten, deep breath in. This is Padangusthasana. Exhale, fold. Now we're gonna practice forward folding with the strength of the abdomen. Soften your arms, and then fold the ribs in and squeeze, release. With the rib cage only, so it's with your strength of your torso. Squeeze, release. 2 more times. Squeeze, release. Good. Squeeze with the abdomen, release. Now we're gonna squeeze and hold. Ready? Not with the shoulders, so soft arms. Roll the ribs in, hold it for 1, 2, 3. Don't give up. 4, 5. Inhale, extend. Exhale here. Walk your hands forward, grip your fingertips, push weight into the shoulders. Inhale, back to plank. Nice. For 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Chaturanga as you exhale. Inhale, upward facing. Big breath in. Exhale, downward facing. Big breath out. Look forward, cross your feet. Come on down to seated. All right, now we've got our forward bend kind of well established, so we're gonna continue to work on the strength. I'm gonna take your hands back and extend the legs. Drop the navel in. Ready? Inhale, right leg comes up, set it down. Good. Left leg rolls up, set it down. Let's do like 4 more times, all right? Right leg comes up, set it down. Left leg comes up, set it down. That counts as 1, so we got 3 more. We got the right leg, set it down. All right, we got the left leg, set it down. Keep working. We got the right leg, set it down. We got the left leg, set it down. Last set. Right side, hold it. 1, 2, use the strength of the abdomen. 3, 4, 5, set it down. Left side, bring it in. Good. And we have 1. Nice, good work. 2, drop it in. 3, don't give up. 4, 5, set it down. Good. Separate the feet. Turn your hands forward. We're going to take reverse tabletop. Inhale, hips up. 1, 2, 3, don't give up. 4, 5, sink it down. Now, we're going to bend the knees, come up onto your fingertips, and then fold your chest into your thighs. Good job. We have 1, 2, hold it. 3, 4, 5, extend. 1, fold it in, tuck the head. 2, 3, 4, shift it forward, Navasana. That was kind of evil, wasn't it? All right, exhale, canoe. Inhale, bring it up and squeeze. Exhale, canoe. Inhale, bring it up and squeeze. Exhale, canoe. Inhale, bring it up and squeeze. Exhale, canoe. 2 more. Bring it up and squeeze. Exhale, canoe. Bring it up and squeeze. Hold your feet. Bring it in for 2, 3, 4. If you cannot hold the feet, you can hold underneath the knees and just squeeze for 4. And 5. Straighten the arms, hold the ankles. Exhale here. Cross your feet. Inhale, back to plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Upward facing, big breath in. Downward facing, big breath out. Gaze it forward, cross. Sit down, grab the yoga blocks. All right, we're gonna work on the lift up movement with the yoga blocks. Okay, so first thing I want you to do is extend the legs and make sure you fit between the blocks. Please don't worry about how wide apart they are. If they need to go a little wider, that feels better. Try to keep them on the mat is what I recommend. Okay, so now to do the L-sit, we need to get the feeling of that squeeze and we need to add direction. So the most important thing is you think about your hips moving back. So let's actually practice with bent knees for a moment. And then you're gonna lift the hips up and I want you to swing them back. So we bend the knees, bring it forward, swing the hips back. You can see you're almost lifting into an L-sit just with that back movement, all right? Let's do 2 more times. Swing it back and bend. Swing the hips back, bend it forward. 2 more. Back, bend it forward. Last one. Back and hold for 2. 3, flex the feet for 4. And 5, bend, put it down, shake out the hands. All right, if you get the counterbalance of the movement, it's much more accessible. Now, sink it back, and we're gonna try with straight legs. So now your feet could stay on the ground, but the idea is to get that feeling the feet are dragging back. We have to move with the strength of the torso. Do not try to kick your legs off the ground. Exhale, bend it forward. Inhale, hips back and up. Exhale, down. Exhale, bend it forward. Inhale, pop it back and up. Exhale, down. 2 more like that. Exhale, bend it forward. Inhale, pop it back. Down. 1 more like that. Exhale, bend it forward. Inhale, pop it back. Down. Relax for a moment. Now let's see if you can hold it for 5. So if when you bend forward, you can keep your chest closer to your thighs, it'll make it a little bit easier to maintain the squeeze, which means your feet might get off the ground, but if your forward bend is a restriction, then we have to keep working forward fold. Let's try. Exhale, forward fold. See, keep it tight. Ready? Inhale, back and up. 1, 2. If they're on the ground, it's okay, no problem. Just keep working. 3, 4, and 5. Sink it down. All right, separate your feet. Hands back behind you. Inhale, reverse tabletop for 1, 2, free the front body. 3, 4, almost there. 5, exhale down. Good job. Okay, now let's move the blocks away and we're gonna give it 1 shot without the blocks. It's considerably harder, so don't feel frustrated with yourself, all right? So let's see if we can work that same kind of like swing movement. So if we inhale, swing it forward, then we send the hips back.
Inhale, we swing it up and forward, and then we swing it back. Again, we bring it up and forward. We could go all the way up, but we don't need to. Swing it back. Hold for 2, 3, 4, and 5. Shake out the wrists. It's more demanding, all right? Now we're gonna give a forward fold from seated. Take the hands down onto the ankles. Inhale, we prepare. Exhale, fold. Good, get the forward bend working. Can extend the arms, reach, reach. 2, engage the legs. 3, 4, almost there. 5, the gaze is forward, the hands come back. Ready? Engage the front body, and inhale, pick it up. 1, 2, remember your feet can be on the ground, it's okay for 3, 4, and 5. Good job. All right, cross the feet. Come on back to your hands and knees. And now we're gonna do puppy pose to release the shoulders. Walk, walk forward, and then exhale. Take a moment. As you exhale, we can place the forehead or the top of the head towards the ground, up onto the fingertips for 2, 3. We could switch to the chest if that's comfortable. If not, don't worry. 4, and 5. Bring it all the way down. And let's find Cobra. Really release the front body. Nice. 1, deep breath in, deep breath out. Good job. 2, release through the hips a little bit. Maybe give it a little wiggle. 4, almost there. 5, all right, let's walk it back. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Switch the gaze forward, let's walk it forward. And exhale, slowly with bent knees, we'll roll the spine down. Good job. All right, stay in constructive rest for a moment. Bring your head to one side. Bring your head to the other side. Very good. Come on back to the center. And then gently, let's lift the legs up. We're just gonna do a counter stretch. L-sit really works the inner thighs, so you may have been squeezing your inner thighs a lot. So we're just gonna take reclining straddle for 5 breaths. Separate the legs and breathe. 1, 2, 3. Good. The thighs need support from underneath. You can hold them from underneath. 4. Very good. Almost there. 5. Inhale. Come on back up. And exhale. Bend the knees. Constructive rest for a moment. Then separate the hands. Axe down the legs. Give everything a little wiggle, a little shake. And then let's take a little rest. As we're resting, just visualize the L-sit for a moment. So see yourself lifting up and just feel the movement. And then release. Remember, we made the intention to meet every challenge with a bit of playfulness and amusement. So our goal today was to have fun. Did you have fun trying? That's all that matters. Okay, feel the breath coming back, body coming back. Nice. Deep breath in. And exhale. Let's slowly reawaken the body. And we bend the knees and the elbows. It's back to constructive rest. We drop the knees into the chest, a little squeeze. Let's roll it over on to the side. And then inhale. Come on back up. Good. Then close the eyes for a moment. Reflect on that journey into strength. Reflect on your L-sit and the hands in prayer. As you exhale, let's softly open the eyes. Thank you so much for joining me on this practice. May you be happy, may you be peaceful, may you be filled with love. Namaste.